Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why CPM, CPI and CPM parties and all other communist and Naxalite parties must be banned, and the Naxalite flags, communist flags should be banned, and all red flags and Marxist activities and meetings should be banned, and all government schools must be privatized to stop breeding Naxalism. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why CPI and CPM parties and all other communist and Naxalite parties must be banned, and all other red flags and Marxist activities and meetings should be banned, and all government schools must be privatized to stop breeding Naxalism. Swaraj Party, which was founded by Rajagopalachari, which got 60 seats in Lok Sabha around 1960s, advocated for banning of communist parties. The Swaraj Party, which was founded by C. Rajagopalachari, a prominent politician during independence of India, he got around 60 seats in Lok Sabha around 1960s. He was advocated for banning 60 Lok Sabha seats. He was advocated for banning communist and Naxalite parties in India. Communists and Naxalites are high-level fools. Communists and Naxalites are high-level fools because they say all humans are equal and same, but they kill crores of animals mercilessly, and they advocate for killing of animals like anything. These Naxalites, it seems very good when they say all humans are equal and we all are equal and humans are equal, like that. This stuff is very good to hear, but at the same time they send animals to slaughterhouses and mercilessly they kill crores of animals like anything. We have to understand that even if butterflies are missing from this planet, the food cycle will collapse. Food cycle will be collapsed and all will die in few days. We have to understand even butterflies are very important to this planet. Even if butterflies are missing from this planet, the food cycle will be collapsed and in few years all will be died. This is why communists and Naxalites are high-level big fools. In Russia, these communists Lenin and Stalin killed crores of people in the name of communism. In the name of communism, these communists Lenin and Stalin killed crores of people in the name of communism in Russia. Courts should ban Lenin, Marx and Mao Zedong, who to stay in power inflicted terror on millions. They just want to stay in power and they have inflicted terror on millions of people. They may be considered as heroes in Kerala, but many parts of Russia they are considered as criminals. These people are considered as criminals in many parts of the Russia. We have to hail industrialists for creating employment and many other opportunities in the society. We have to praise the industrialists, and we should blame these communists for labeling businessmen as exploiters. These communists always hail industry. These communists always blame industrialists and businessmen as exploiters. The communists have labeled industrialists as exploiters. Instead of looking at industrialists as one creating jobs for thousands, the communists have labeled them as exploiters. In fact, this has been etched into the psyche of West Bengal and Kerala. We should stop these stupid communists for driving away industrialists and causing strikes and all other nuisance. And because of that, millions of poor people lost employment. millions of poor people lost employment because of these communist people doing many wrong things in the society. A businessman takes crores of rupees as loans to sustain an industry and creates jobs. A businessman takes crores of rupees as loans to sustain an industry and create jobs. Instead of looking at that, the stupid communists make him feel ashamed and embarrassed to the extent that he has to run away. Not only that, even now and then there is a strike. Why? Because the guy is an industrialist, hence he is an exploiter. They always call industrialists and businessmen as exploiters, these communists. Asserting that strike against industrialists was far from the truth. We should make that environment that the industry and the government have to work together for the development of the society. For the development of the society, the environment, the industry and the government has to work together. Even today, many people doesn't know that millions of people were killed so that a few communist leaders could remain in power. They have killed so many lakhs and crores of people just because they want to get the power in the society. For these people to be in power, many thousands and thousands of lives were lost. It was a red revolution. It was the bloodiest revolutions of the world. If communism still tends to breed violence, we are against communism. It doesn't matter whether the stupid communists accept God or not. That is very small thing. But in the name of communism, you allow or justify violence, it is not acceptable. Whether these communists accept God or not, that is very small thing. We don't much care about that. But if they do violence, and we should stop the violence, even if you have to do violence. In West Bengal, people rejected them because of unbearable violence, unforgivable violence, because of these communists. In West Bengal, these people rejected them. The people rejected these communists because of unbearable violence and unforgivable violence of communists. What I am trying to say is, communists were very much violent and killed crores of people in the name of communism in the world. All Indian government schools must be privatized to stop breeding Naxalism in the country. And these Naxals inject high-level poison in the minds of children and causing red terrorism in the country. All government schools must be privatized to stop breeding Naxalism in the country. We should stop this red terrorism at any cost. Jai Gurudev.